All right, today we're gonna bring two scones, and these are really tough plastic. They light up at night. You could set them up in front of your garage. You are gonna need three types of connections. All right, you're gonna need the green one, which is ground, the neutral which is white, and then the hot, which is black. Now, to set these up, you got to mount this up on your back end, on your wall, your drywall, or whatever it is that you're going to mount it on. Once you set these up in here, you set up the two screws that line up with it. All right, so we're going to set them up very simple. They're nice and tall, like them, that they're durable. So let's put them together and see how it looks. All right, so today I'm going to show you the application, the Smart Life. You have to download the app, Smart Life, and I have it here, but you could change it out of the automatically, change it to any color you want. They give you solid colors. You can even choose your own. Look at this. If you're going to have a Halloween event or maybe Christmas, you can make and manipulate them. Now, one of the best things they'll like it, that they have different templates in here. I'm going to choose a green template here, the Kung Fu template, the Ocean template, and then French style template. So you've got hundreds of different templates that they have. You could create your own template, and then we're going to go into the audio. In the audio, say you're having a music event outdoors, you just start the audio, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, and then you can also change it to different styles too here. And they have hundreds of different timings. You could set up a timer, you could set up a schedule, and have it set up for anything. Now, you could even turn it off at the end of the day. Just hit the Smart Life, turn off the app. As simple as that. So turning it on, we're going to go back to white and bright, keep it bright. So best thing about it, that they give you two, and it's plastic. You don't have to worry about dropping in glass or any breaking. This is perfect for an entrance. It's perfect for indoors, outdoors, your garage. You're having an event, a party, you want to make it livable, this is perfect for you guys. So very simple, easy to install, easy to change the app and make it different, make your own. I hope you guys enjoy the video.